Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, AI Revolution. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you: the different types of artificial intelligence. We'll delve into the fascinating world of AI and explore its various facets, from machine learning to deep learning and beyond. So, let's jump right in. Segment 1. What is artificial intelligence? To kick things off, let's start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? Well, simply put, it's the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. AI can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, speech recognition, and decision-making. Segment 2. Machine learning. One of the most popular branches of AI is machine learning. Machine learning is all about enabling computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions. Supervised learning. Within machine learning, we have supervised learning, where the algorithm is trained on labeled data, making predictions or classifications based on the input data. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, involves algorithms learning from unlabeled data to discover patterns and structures within the data. Segment 3. Deep learning. Now, let's dive deeper into deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, and it's inspired by the structure and function of the human brain. It uses artificial neural networks to process vast amounts of data and make sense of it. Convolutional neural networks, CNNs. In deep learning, we have convolutional neural networks, CNNs, which are commonly used for image recognition and analysis. They can identify objects and patterns in images and videos. Recurrent neural networks, RNNs. Another important type of neural network is recurrent neural networks, RNNs, which are ideal for sequential data like time series and natural language processing tasks. Segment 4. Natural language processing, NLP. Natural language processing, or NLP, is another exciting field of AI. It's all about enabling machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP is used in chatbots, translation services, and sentiment analysis, among other applications. Segment 5. Robotics and AI. AI is also making waves in the field of robotics. Robots are becoming smarter and more autonomous, thanks to AI algorithms that allow them to perceive their surroundings and make decisions in real time. Segment 6. AI in healthcare. In healthcare, AI is revolutionizing the way we diagnose diseases, recommend treatments, and even conduct drug discovery. It's helping healthcare professionals make more accurate decisions and improve patient outcomes. So, there you have it, folks, a glimpse into the diverse world of artificial intelligence. From machine learning and deep learning to natural language processing, robotics, and healthcare, AI is shaping the future in incredible ways. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the different types of AI, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. And, as always, feel free to leave your questions and thoughts in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of AI, and stay curious.